Hey y'all, today we are over in Alabama area and we're visiting the battle in Bama here on Sunday, and lots going on over here. Wanted to do a pan around so you can see, and we're going to start right here. The very first vehicle we're going to check out is this Cooter's Garage replica of the 1968 Dodge Charger General Lee replica vehicle. So I'm just gonna start in for a little bit so you can check out some of that. It's really great to see that on the top. Got a little bit of the interior, and you have some signatures. Very awesome car. Pretty cool to have. But just gonna do a little bit walk back with that. This is something really cool. It's got that little boss hog on there. Great to see it. Really nice. Great to see it. Alright, we're going to keep walking down. Pan down through here. We have some really awesome vehicles out today. Sun shining, looking beautiful. How about this guy? Wow, that's insane. Some of these mods. Crazy. I'm going to walk down through here a little bit more. You got this motorcycle. Wow, that is absolutely stunning. Creeping along. Got a lot of nice C10s. Get another picture of that bike. A lot of nice trucks. A lot of stuff going on here today. Everybody's out and about. It's nice weather. Look at this truck. How about this? Huh. Wow, it's completely covered. It's completely covered. Wow. A lot of neat stuff. Paint schemes are pretty cool. A lot of wild stuff here. Battle in Bama is all about outrageous and over-the-top things. They had some wild, pretty crazy paint scheme on that. A lot of skulls all embroidered into them. Let's go inside and we'll see what it's got inside here. Check it out. It looks like it's got a spine. See how it's got skulls down in there, bodies and things coming out the back, holding all of it. It's all modded, so it's like bones. Skulls. Wow. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty neat. It's pretty wild stuff. He's got his bed all back there like that. Got that rear. Pretty badass. Pretty nice. Pretty cool. Alright, so we're gonna go along. Got other stuff here, you know, got a lot of different things. Just doing a walk around to show you a few different styles, vehicles going on. You can get around some of this stuff. There's a car I wanted to show you. It's right over here. It's pretty crazy. I'm not sure what the color scheme would be on this car, but it's almost like a champagne rose. It's pretty wild. It's like a type of a pink type car. Wow. Alright, we're going to keep walking along. And the backdrop for the battle in Bama is all these military helicopters, battleships, airplanes, aircraft. A lot of nice stuff. We're moving around, showing you quite a bit here. Some really nice rides. Nice stuff lined up. Take a picture here real quick. Down through here a little bit. We're gonna run across the street real quick. We're gonna check out this chopper. This is pretty badass, right? Pretty nice. Wow. It's definitely gonna show a little bit more of that. Super sweet. Super sweet. And then you have mods like that right there. Wow, wild stuff. You got rat horses. How about that funny car? It's pretty cool, isn't it? Down through here, got a few nice bikes. This one says it's called Venom. This is nice. Wow, a lot of nice bikes today. Beautiful rides. Got all that for the backdrop. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to catch up with Miss Beth over here at the photo booth, and then we're going to make an episode number 2, and we're going to walk down that row, show some more cool stuff. We're here getting the pictures picked up that we took with Elsie that we got with the battleship the other day. So there's Miss Beth, and look for part number 2. Thanks.